In today's energy markets, let's take a look at WTI crude futures as they're moving higher today. Crude futures trading higher 4 of the last 5 trading sessions, and today's price action has moved the futures market up to a 2-week high, currently priced at 71.40, which is up better than 1.5% on the day. And looking at the driving factors, really one of the primary drivers over the last couple of sessions appears to be geopolitical risk and the tensions that continue to remain elevated. Concerns about supply moving forward, in possible production and supply chain disruptions, and I think that's one of the primary drivers. Couple that with also indications earlier in the week that China is importing more crude than what was anticipated. Even though their economy continues to struggle, there are indications that they are increasing importation of crude, and I think that's another factor contributing to the higher price action that we have experienced throughout the week. Now, looking at the general trends, WTI is coming off the lower end of the 3-month range, which also really corresponds to the low end of the range for the year, as we're maintaining this upward momentum. And now moving higher, we are moving up to 2-week highs, but also challenging the 2-week highs, which also correspond with 1-month highs. So we're at the top end of the 1-month range here as we move back higher throughout this week. And looking at Baker Hughes rig count week over week, we did see an increase of 1 oil rig week over week, a decline of 2 gas rigs, so the net change was a decline of 1, but oil rigs did increase by 1 week over week to 479 active rigs. Also, I want to end with natural gas, as we have experienced some significant price increase in natural gas throughout the week, taking out that $3 level and then trading into the 320 handle. Now, we are seeing a little bit of selling pressure today, and natural gas is down about 6% on the day, so giving up some of that upside momentum. But overall, throughout the week, we have experienced some higher price action in the energy quadrant based on some of the dynamics in today's market.